Today is going to be fantastic! Because today is all about sharks. But there's no need to be scared, because whilst their teeth might look scary, sharks generally don't attack humans. I guess it's just because we don't taste very good to them. So let's get into 10 facts about sharks, starting now. Oh no, here it comes! Right, fact number 1. Sharks are older than dinosaurs. In fact, they're even older than trees. They're truly the ocean's ancient survivors, as they have survived all 5 of Earth's major mass extinction events.
Help! I can't swim! My arms are too small! Ah!
Fact number 2. Their skin is made for super fast, low-friction swimming, and so it is covered in tiny, teeth-like scales called dermal denticles. Whilst these scales are super slick going in one direction, if you were to rub a shark backwards, they'd actually be incredibly prickly, almost like rough sandpaper. Fact number 3. They have endless rows of teeth, which are continuously replaced. A single shark can lose up to tens of thousands of them in its lifetime. I guess they don't have to worry about brushing their teeth then.
There's another one! Ah, my teeth! Whew. Now, where's dinner?
Fact number 4. They have a sixth sense which we don't have. So we have sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. But sharks also have special pores around their noses called the ampullae of Lorenzini, which lets them sense the electrical fields of nearby prey.
Dinner!
Fact number 5. You can hypnotize sharks. You are getting sleepy. Very sleepy.
Ooh, I'm asleep.
If you flip a shark upside down, they go into a trance-like state, which is similar to being hypnotized. Scientists call this tonic immobility.
Huh? Oh, is it dinner time yet?
Fact number 6. One species of shark is the largest fish in the entire ocean. The whale shark, whose name is a little confusing because it's not actually a whale, but just a big shark. But not just any kind of big. The whale shark is the largest fish, growing up to 20 meters or 60 feet long.
Excuse me, coming through. I've heard it's dinner time.
Fact number 7. Sharks don't have any bones, or at least not bones like us. If you were to put them in an X-ray machine, you wouldn't see a skeleton. And that's because they are made up of tough but flexible cartilage, which is the same stuff that makes up our noses. Fact number 8. There are over 500 known species of sharks. There are big ones like the whale shark, as well as tiny ones like the dwarf lantern shark. Fact number 9. Sharks are super important to our oceans. Sharks are in charge of keeping everyone else in the ocean in check.
Please.
As apex predators, they prevent other species from getting out of hand, which keeps the food chain and the whole ecosystem in good working order. Fact number 10. The 10th and final fact for today is that sharks are in trouble. As a result of overfishing and habitat destruction, over a third of shark species are threatened with extinction. Which is terrible, because once these great creatures are gone, they're gone. And we don't want that now, do we?
No!
So there it is, 10 amazing facts about sharks. Do you have a favorite? If you do, I would love to hear it. Or maybe you have a cool fact about sharks that we didn't mention, which you would like to share. Be sure to let me know. But for now, that's it. That's our show. Thanks for discovering sharks with me, and I'll see you next time. I'm Hatcher, and this is Hatcher's World. Bye!
Bye!